Are you using FavePay and ever wondered if what you're holding in your hand, or rather, on your phone, is actually an e-wallet? It's a common question, especially with the way digital payment solutions are evolving. We've got apps that let us pay at restaurants, platforms for online shopping, and systems for splitting bills with friends. But what truly defines an e-wallet, and where does FavePay fit into this increasingly complex digital landscape? Think about your traditional wallet. It holds cash, credit cards, debit cards, loyalty cards, and maybe even a photo or two. It's a physical container for your financial instruments and personal identification. Now, translate that to the digital realm. An e-wallet, or digital wallet, is essentially a software-based system that securely stores your payment information, things like credit and debit card details, bank account numbers, and even digital cash or cryptocurrency, allowing you to make transactions electronically. It's designed to simplify and speed up payments, whether online or in brick-and-mortar stores, by eliminating the need to physically pull out cards or cash. Key characteristics of a true e-wallet typically include the ability to store multiple payment methods, facilitating person-to-person transfers, enabling in-app payments, and often providing features like transaction history tracking and loyalty program integration. Some even allow for top-ups or direct deposits of funds into the wallet itself, acting almost like a digital bank account for everyday spending. So, where does FavePay fit in? FavePay is undeniably a powerful payment solution, widely adopted in Southeast Asia for its convenience and integrated rewards system. When you use FavePay, you link your existing credit or debit cards to the app, or you can use your Fave credit, which you might have earned through cashback or loaded directly. You then scan a QR code at participating merchants to complete your payment. The app also consolidates various deals and cashback offers, making it attractive for savvy spenders. However, here's where the distinction becomes crucial. While FavePay facilitates digital payments and stores payment information in a tokenized and secure manner, it primarily acts as a payment gateway and a loyalty platform rather than a standalone, full-fledged e-wallet in the broadest sense. It doesn't typically allow for direct peer-to-peer transfers of funds within the app itself to other Fave users in the same way a dedicated e-wallet like, say, a mobile banking app with a P2P feature, or a general-purpose e-wallet, would. You can't, for instance, load a significant sum of money into FavePay and then transfer it to your friend's FavePay account as you might with a true e-wallet. The funds generally flow through FavePay from your linked payment method to the merchant. The Fave credit balance you accumulate or top up is arguably the closest FavePay gets to holding digital cash. This credit can be used for payments within the Fave ecosystem. However, it's generally not withdrawable to your bank account or transferable to another individual outside of merchant payments. This limited scope of direct fund management and peer-to-peer transfer capabilities is what differentiates it from a comprehensive e-wallet. Therefore, while FavePay provides many of the conveniences associated with digital payments and certainly leverages technology to make transactions smoother and more rewarding, it's more accurately described as a digital payment platform with integrated loyalty and cashback features. It acts as a bridge between your existing payment methods and merchants, enhancing the transaction experience rather than serving as a primary digital repository for your money. It's a fantastic tool for what it does, but understanding its specific function helps clarify its place in the broader digital finance ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.